How to open Google Chrome link in a new tab. So if you want to open Google Chrome link in a new tab, then what you need to do is, for example, if you go with your browser and here if you search for something, for example, I'll just simply go with cat. After searching, now here you will have the websites, right? So if you click on it, then it will not open in a new tab. So if you want to open this in a new tab, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with a new tab and go with google.com, and it will open up this kind of interface. Now you need to go with the top right, which has that profile. Scroll down, go with more settings, and here you need to go with the other settings option, which is on the left. And here you will have an option results in a new window. So turn this on. Once you turn this on, now if you go back and if you click on any of these websites, then it will open up in a new tab. Now, if you go back and click on other one, it will open up in a new tab. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.